Hello, welcome to the Learn English with Hamza. Hello everyone, my name is Ílárا, and I want to share a glimpse into my life in a magical, hidden village called برايتوود. I'm incredibly lucky to have a close-knit, wise family. There's my mischievous younger brother, Finn, my clever older sister, Ílárà, and of course, my gentle and supportive parents. We all live together in our treehouse home, nestled high among the ancient oaks, which is always filled with stories and the scent of forest herbs. Family is everything to me. We spend countless hours sharing tales, learning ancient remedies, and exploring the wonders of the forest. Every morning, I journey to the Whispering Academy. It's hidden deep within the heart of the forest, so Finn and I usually glide there on air currents we've learned to master, laughing as we weave through the canopy. At the academy, we study many fascinating subjects. We have herbology, where we learn about plants and their magical properties, stargazing, where we track constellations and predict celestial events, and ancient runes, our language of magic. Ancient runes is definitely my favorite. I just love deciphering old spells and uncovering forgotten incantations. It really helps to unlock the secrets of our world. After the academy, you'll often find me practicing my spell casting in the Glade of Echoes with Ílárà. Spell casting is my absolute favorite pursuit, and I'm even part of the Academy's Young Enchanters Guild. We practice intricate enchantments to protect برايتوود, and sometimes we create truly beautiful illusions, which is always a magnificent feeling. On the weekends, my family and I are always up for an expedition. Sometimes we go on foraging trips deep into the whispering woods, discovering rare ingredients and ancient artifacts. Other times, we journey to the crystal caves to marvel at the glowing formations. Spending time with my family and exploring new, hidden places is something I deeply cherish. I also have a wonderful companion named Sky. She's a loyal griffin who just loves to soar through the sky with me. Sky isn't just a pet. She's my guardian and friend, and we share an unbreakable bond. In the evenings, I love to consult ancient scrolls. My favorites are prophecies and sagas about legendary heroes and their quests for wisdom. Studying these scrolls truly helps me relax after a day of magical practice and fuels my vision for the future. I have grand visions for the future. I want to journey beyond the veil and discover new magical realms, connecting with beings from other dimensions. Perhaps one day, I'll become a renowned archmage, mastering powerful enchantments and protecting all who dwell in peace. Or even a great lore master who preserves the ancient knowledge of our world. But for now, I'm perfectly content living here in برايتوود, embracing every day with my amazing family and friends. For every moment is a chance to learn and grow. Close-knit. مترابطة, meaning. Adjective. Describes a group of people, like a family or community who are closely linked by strong feelings and interests. Sentence from text: I'm incredibly lucky to have a close-knit, wise family. Additional sentence: the villagers were so close-knit that they always helped each other during tough times. Treehouse home, منزلنا الشجري. Meaning: noun phrase, a house or dwelling built in or among the branches of a tree. Sentence from text: we all live together in our treehouse home, nestled high among the ancient oaks. Additional sentence: building a treehouse home in the backyard was always a childhood dream. Incantations or spells, تعويذات, meaning noun, a series of words said as a magic spell or charm. Sentence from text: I just love deciphering old spells and uncovering forgotten incantations. Additional sentence: the ancient wizard whispered powerful incantations to summon the spirit. Expeditions, رحلات استكشافية. Meaning, noun, journeys undertaken by a group of people with a particular purpose, especially for exploration or research. Sentence from text: on the weekends, my family and I are always up for an expedition. Additional sentence: the team prepared for a long expedition into the Amazon rainforest. Scrolls, مخطوطات. Meaning, noun, a roll of parchment or paper for writing or painting on, used in ancient times instead of a book. Sentence from text: in the evenings, I love to consult ancient scrolls. Additional sentence: hidden within the old library, dusty scrolls held forgotten histories. What about you? Do you live in a mundane city or a fantastical land? What's your favorite magical ability or secret talent? Share your thoughts and any questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enchanting videos like this, and hit the notification chime so you don't miss out on any new spells or insights. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next magical lesson very soon.